Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Potomac long-distance movers near me. North Potomac's community can count on our expert long-distance moving services. We offer custom crating for valuable and delicate items, ensuring their safety throughout the move. Our streamlined process, from packing to delivery, minimizes downtime and makes your relocation experience hassle-free. North Potomac's serene environment calls for a moving service that's just as tranquil. Our local services include professional packing and unpacking, careful handling of delicate items, efficient residential relocations, office moving solutions, and customized moving plans for special needs. Choose us for a move in Mount Airy that's as serene as the town itself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Potomac moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.